Oh yeah. The Jamaican guys, y'all eat the box?
What kind of I want to bomb? I want to deal with you. I deal with. What kind of box? What kind of box? Them kind of box they are talk about to me. How me I go eat cardboard box?
But hold on. You my family and I love you, but a lot of women are saying a lot of the Caribbean men, Jamaican men have been lying. They do go down.
Well, a lot of them do, but you have to be real with that. But me not one of them. Me not go eat no box.
You hear that?
Well, the truth is, is that a lot of these female nowadays, they love the eatings, they love the eatings. When we hear that lady, I say, boy, I say, the man want nyam, I pay nyam and nyam. But I know about all of them still, because I like that too much. Because my mama love the work. You understand? Me love the knockings and clappings. But
I go near fire.
Why? Me don't know what I'm doing. I know what is man. Yeah. Jesus Christ, any am catches more than all them grind to ras. You sit down and feel your foot up, no things say boy up put up on one backers and give you some good fucking in your own. The boy taking big head push and each and them out all your catches. All them man can yam pussy so. Jesus Christ, they make pussy be the national dish for them. No sir, I can't get a good fuck off of them cocky again. Be in yamins. Then just name it down like I went termite and yam down all house.
Oh yeah. The Jamaican guys, y'all eat the box?
What kind of I want to bomb? I want to deal with you. I deal with. What kind of box? What kind of box? Them kind of box they are talk about to me. How me I go eat cardboard box?
But hold on. You my family and I love you, but a lot of women are saying a lot of the Caribbean men, Jamaican men have been lying. They do go down.
Well, a lot of them do, but you have to be real with that. But me not one of them. Me not go eat no box.
You hear that?
Me not eat in no box.
You sure?
The only thing me eat in a box is my food. This thing here what we serve at you drama, the food come in a box, me eat out of that. Me no know about that.
So what if a girl says she wants you to do that to her? Like I want you to eat it.
She have to go about for her business.
What if she look good?
That.
What if she look good? Fire?
Fire for her. Me not under no table. Me eat on the table. Me not under nobody table.
Ah, respect.
Me have plenty, and we have plenty of table in the backyard. We eat on the table. Me no know about
do Carib, a lot of the Rastafarians, you know what I mean? They don't like
it. A lot of brethren these days.
They don't play that. They don't want you to ask those questions.
No, because the real roots man, them we know in that. You know what I say? Not them thing they find that kind of, you go too far, they know when you come to a man with them things. Them thing they have to work young youth them. They not eat no blood. Got off on no table. Me not eat under no table business.
You sure?
100%.
Why? Me don't know what I'm doing. I know what is man. Yeah. Jesus Christ, any am catches more than all them grind to ras. You sit down and feel your foot up, no things say boy up put up on one backers and give you some good fucking in your own. The boy taking big head push and each and them out all your catches. All them man can yam pussy so. Jesus Christ, they make pussy be the national dish for them. No sir, I can't get a good fuck off of them cocky again. Be in yamins. Then just name it down like I went termite and yam down all house.
me love the workout. Me love the backers. Me love the football and shoulder kind of shit. Me love that. But some according to what she said now. She said, boy, happy eating the man them want as she comes and they want to go. But I don't know. It's not all of us.
So what if the man never eat no food, brother?
Wait, man,
Are you hungry?
Am I hungry?
Never eat no lunch?
Oh, why? It look like he never eat no dinner either.
People feel admit it still. It happen.
It happen, man. I mean,
And a long time it happened.
It happen, and
But right-
it is more prevalent now.
Yeah.
Way more prevalent
Yeah,
now.
man, it happened, man. So,
Now what people are, you know, and some of these people who are pretending to them, they are like, tell them what we. But true, we have a little thing where we want to show, say, boy, bad man, or this and bad man, or that. But I like most of you tell. A lot of us do it. Most of you, a lot of you do
they
it.
want come like one ram goat. But it's smelling in turn over.
But I don't. I think maybe some man take it into a higher level than others, because you see, even if a man decides to do that, you know, it should be maybe
If a man
for,
decide to do what?
you know, the oral sex thing, right? It should be for the females pleasure, where she don't get her in the mood, because you find out that some women, you know, are that can only, you know, it's only that can make them reach to a climax.
But why do?
I don't know. Let me tell you why. Why? Most of us are, as male are not romantic, right? Most of us all say, boy, we don't kiss again. We don't caress again. So that's a problem.
So a one bam tank
Yes,
kind of
man.
situation.
So that's the thing. With a lot of us as man nowadays, we not spend 1/2 hour or 15 minutes and get the lady some really good loving, kissing, caressing, all them is nice things there. You see, and you know, when you do these things intensely, she'll be really up to it. She'll be hot. But somehow we know in that again. You know,
That's a whole part about that they want to know, brother.
the female.
That them want, man.
Female.
Because right now, we go places and me hear some people are talking up here that if you not do that, you know, make sense.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay. I hear a lot of females.
Yeah, man, and some things me hear some people are talking kind of surprise me because me never know so stuff like that to that come out of their mouth.
I have man. This
Yeah,
why
sir.
man nowadays I tell you man straight out now say they only have them, you know. As some man meet a woman nowadays. Me I eat now. Me eat here now. And these ladies saw them like the joke. Because me watch certain things. And when certain questions ask the female them about eating, they get excited. Some of them willing to go do it. Yeah, man, willing.
I think it's,
They love it, man.
I think it's a thing that is normalized. You know?
It is very much normalized.
I think it's normalized.
And when I hear people, the man I lick against it. Well, pun intended.
I said I'm a lick against it. No, sir. So they might eat the box.
Yeah, well, I tell you, they might eat hard.
Oh.
You understand?
So I said Jamaican man and a whole love to eat the box.
They might the wicked man. You understand? And they might go and like say, boy, they don't do it. But you know, as I say, if a person want to do it, you know, I don't. Me nothing. You know, I feel in personal business. If you know, but we must stop pretend. Let's say we not do it because a lot of us is doing it. You know, a lot of us are involved in those kind of stuff. So, you know, we have to just know, say, boy, you know, female. You know, if that is what is going to, if you is not the person where you go take your time for, you know, give her the proper romance and the proper loving before you reach there, then you know you have to just do what you have to do. But as for me want to kiss, me want to romance and do all the nice things to my wife. Yeah, man. Me don't want to just run in. Sometimes, sometimes occasion may call that you have to just do a little quickie. But for the most part, you know, you want the foreplay. Because, you know, the foreplay is very good for, for a female. But then wet, and, so when you wet, it's more pleasurable. So
I said foreplay over backseating.
Foreplay.
Over backseating?
Well, foreplay first. So if a person want to foreplay and then you want to give the lady extra pleasure.
A week?
Well, he's entitled to do that. Even take it for that.
What may I say still, you know, we should not really have one woman on the panel.
Me have to get my wife.
Deal with all
I'm
these
going
kind
to
of things. You
Yeah,
see me?
guys,
Should
that
have-
generate
yeah, man,
more heat.
Yeah, man, because, you know,
Yeah.
so I think we have to have a part 2 or 3 or 4 on the same topic. You see me?
Me forget her coming, man. Because
Yeah, man, because...
my wife is no ramping, man.
Yeah, man, but I mean, you know, you still can do a voice note, you know.
If our males was more involved in these things and less crime, would alright, you know? Because look at you,
Involved now.
in a more if they want to go oral, I have more pleasure.
Brother, man, a box where the people talk about the people, man. Box, brother. See me? Box. See me, what kind of oral you talk about? Box, the man say. Box. You said Jamaican man love it, box.
Well, let me tell you, I don't think enough Jamaican man
I eat the box.
is in the box. Because if enough was eating in the box, then I guess even our own situation where it's presently facing us, a crime and something there. What would I mean less?
No, man,
but the
you
youth them, man.
They have to make enough money if you go eat the box, so you're not going to stop you, brother.
No, man, the man them just focus, brother, mostly on the foolishness, man. The man them not time for woman, them, brother.
Box we are talking about, brother.
They not time for woman, man.
You know, yes, no, as me say, I don't hear about that there, the box thing we are talking about. No.
They not time for boxing, brother.
Yes, no, well,
I need to make time for it if they want to do it. You get more involved in something like that. I look at certain things, man. You get more pleasure, make it let them feel good. Make him feel like Tanya Stevens. Make him feel like her, man.
Oh, what?
Yeah, she says you can treat me like your Glock car or whatever. She want to keep and cock and sitting there and sitting there.
Oh.
So I don't kind of think that the female they want.
Yeah, but I think the whole situation is where in order to pleasure a woman or a woman pleasure a man, a conversation of happen.
Yeah, man.
And because you see a lot of people want people to think, to read the mind.
Yeah, no, hard to.
You see, no, well, how can you read that person? So a person of yeah, look
have to have a conversation.
we want to do that, you know. I want to do that, you know. Let me try that now.
You have to have a conversation.
Clean up yourself the right way and smell good.
Absolutely.
You see me I say?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
the hygiene is key. It have to be.
Yeah, man,
You know, it's key.
You know, say sometimes some people...
And these things should also take precedence in a committed relationship. You can't see everybody, brother. You can't see every woman, brother, on them, man. No go so, man. No go so, man. No go so. You can't see everything on them. No way.
So to the woman, we have 3, 4, 5 man, and then
you know, say,
all 3, 4, 5 man.
You know, say, my friend tell me something recently about one person. The person said, boy, say the man was getting in such as eat.
Brother, man, we are talking about a program, brother. Don't bother boring. The
man are getting in sachets, are in sachets the yam, right? And the man say, when the woman done yam in sachets, brother.
So the woman are eating banana?
Eating banana, right, it's fine. And yummy banana, right?
Peeling banana?
When the man, the man say, when the woman done with him, he end up with some terrible infection. Right? And the man married, you know. Having wife, no, brother. And all of a sudden, you know, you have to start use protection on your wife. I use condom with her. It should not be. It should not be willy-nilly. You see, your name Jill, your name Mary, your name. You understand? It can't work like that. Because by doing that, you have put yourself in a problem. You understand? So, if you're going to eat responsibly. You understand? Yeah, eat responsibly. And you can't go near my place. You're not hard, man. You're not hard. So if you're going near responsible, you can't see everything on your brother. You get bad belly. You understand? You have bad stomach. You understand? So you can't name out of a place. So if you got name responsibly. You understand? You can't go out of a place, brother. So me personally, now I tell a man they mustn't do it. But my thing is to that, man, if I go eat responsibly. You can't go over the place and eat.
Well, say if you want to eat the box,
Yeah, man.
eat the box.
Eat responsibly.
We haven't got that food there alone. Are going to.
You can't tell everybody. Every woman will say, boy, you want to eat, you want to
You hear that, miss?
Can't,
When
man.
you eat in the box, make sure it's a for your own box.
You'll get it up in trouble.
Yeah, man. You don't want no chicken box.
You're getting in trouble,
See
man.
me?
You're getting in serious
No bully
trouble.
beef.
Serious trouble you're getting, man.
Yeah, man. That's curry chicken box.
Yeah, man. Eat out of one box,
Lobster
brother.
box.
If you eat out of one box. Eat out of one box.
Yeah, man.
Until when you and that box they break up. Or
Yeah,
that box they own. You understand, sir? When the box they own now, and the box they can't work again, then you can't try one new box.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
stay with the one box, man.
Mm.
Because you get yourself in a problem. You can't be eating. You got a bad stomach.
They say it's too much of a bad.
You got a bad stomach.
Yeah, man. Too much acid reflux.
Yeah, man. Too much of one thing. Good.
Yeah, man. So you have to know the, you have to know the kind of box you eat.
Yeah, you have to know it.
They say a man just there's some woman see some box. No, see some banana and want peel it.
Yeah.
All kind of banana them a peel.
Yeah.
And they say man see some box, all kind of box. Any box you see you want
Yeah, you want your motor.
clean box, dirty box, any box.
Yeah, man. In box, man. You know business, man.
And him sometimes
You
you
know
get a
care.
rotted box.
You know business.
Yeah, man. They say sometimes you get a rotted box.
All kind of box, man. I'll kick too.
Yeah, no, man.
I'll kick too. You understand?
I hear you, sir.
Yeah, man. So you steal in one box, brother.
Yeah, man. You still have seen it.
Steal in one box, man. Because nothing wrong with you. Know.
Mm-hmm.
But you steal in one box, man.
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah,
can't go out of the place, man. Because a dangerous something that you catch by your bad stomach.
I say, man.
Yeah?